देख रहे हो गाइस क्या ट्रैफिक है, आंधी आ रखा है भाई, सैलाब, ऐसा लग रहा है समुद्र में चल रहे हैं। क्या गंदा ट्रैफिक है भाई, पढ़ लिख के भी ट्रैफिक ही झेल क्या जेई नीट के एस्पिरेंट्स को गाइड करो। एटीएन तो भाई अपन भी है, लेकिन ट्रैफिक के अगर परे जाना है तो थोड़ा सा फिर यूपीएससी करना पड़ेगा भाई, कि तुम्हारे लिए रास्ता ही क्लियर हो जाए। कुछ शादी वगैरह था क्या? बाप रे, वही ऐसा जाम तो कभी लगता नहीं था यहाँ, समझ में नहीं आया। और यहाँ ठोक भी दिया लगता है, बहस हो गया है। तो वही चीज़ है गाइस। अच्छा शादी है, भाई शादी तुम कर रहे हो यार, जाम यहाँ कर दे रहा हूँ। तुम्हारे जिंदगी के तो लगने वाले हैं, हम लोग का भी लगा दे रहे हो। चलो अब पढ़ाई वापस चालू कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। बाकी यार और कुछ भी पूछना होगा जेई नीट के एस्पिरेंट्स को तो पूछ लेना ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। हमारे पास सारे सवालों के जवाब हैं, और देखना तुम सही सही जवाब देंगे। चलो फिलहाल पढ़ते हैं।
If you like this initiative, do hit the like button.
अरे सर जी जल्दी स्टार्ट करें तब तो ये प्रचार प्रसार कोचिंग्स का कॉमन एजेंडा थोड़ा सा रहता है। ये देखो सर जी को रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं।
The working age group in case of India, that is
working age group
from 15 years 15 goes up to 59 years.
भाई 15 साल से काम कराओगे मुझे? हम तो चाहते हैं वर्किंग एज रखना चाहिए 30। भाई काम करने की इच्छा ही नहीं है, लेकिन फिर देश का डेवलपमेंट रुक जाएगा।
Total 6 crore people have added to working age group. But the total number of jobs which have been created, the total number of jobs, 9 CR, the total number of jobs which have been created since 2017 and 18, which has absorbed the people out of this 9 crore, is essentially 6 crore people. Is the point clear? 9 crore people have been added to this population, and out of that 6 crore people have been absorbed in the labor market, essentially getting jobs. The writer simply says there are two problems in this data. What are the two problems? Observe this. One, we are not creating sufficient number of jobs to absorb all the people who are joining the labor force. We are not creating sufficient number of jobs. And second one, even when you look at the number of jobs which are created and the people who are absorbed in the labor market, a lot of these jobs are either self-employment or informal in nature. These are either self-employment or informal in nature.
Jobs का तो कमी है।
Now, what is the issue with the self-employment and informal in nature? For example, let's say rural part of India, a person will start doing, let's say, pottery. A person will start, right? Let's say producing paintings. A person will be self-employed. But if you look at these kind of jobs, let's say pottery making, basket kneading, etc., etc., these kind of jobs do not provide sufficient amount of income sources. They do not provide sufficient amount of income. There is no guarantee regarding how much income will be generated here. And what about informal nature of jobs? Informal example, let's say you are employed in construction jobs. You are employed in a particular company only to load the bags into a truck and unload the bags from the truck. So these kind of casual work or informal kind of jobs, they are also not providing sufficient amount of incomes. So the two problems or the two concerns which have been raised in this data is, one, we are not producing sufficient number of jobs, and second, even the jobs which are generated, these are essentially self-employment as well as informal. informal in nature, which is again not good for Indian economy. Now, what is the problem? Going forward, what will be the problem? We are promoting utilization of artificial intelligence now. I'm going to point number 3. We are promoting usage of artificial intelligence. That is AI. More and more companies are adopting AI tools now.
तब तो जॉब और कम
If
होगा ना.
more and more AI tools are adopted by the companies, don't you think further the problem related to job generation will be intensified?
सही बात.
More and more jobs could be lost. Right? The generation of jobs in the future might also be affected. Now, all of this is happening because please understand, the writer talks about supply and demand forces. Supply and demand forces in the market. Right? What are the supply and demand forces in the market that can be connected to labor here? Right? Have a look at this. What if production needs to be done for a particular good? The demand for the good is higher. The production needs to be increased. But if sufficient number of skilled labor is not available, obviously it will lead to what? The companies producing more goods, but not by using labor, but by using machinery. Is
ये
it
देखो,
okay?
ये
But by
देखो, ये
using
देखो.
machinery, companies, in order to meet the demand, they will produce more, because obviously the companies want to generate more profits. They can earn more profits by producing more, selling more. So if the skilled labor is not available in India, so what will the companies do? Companies will simply purchase more and more machinery, install the machinery, produce more and sell more in the market. As a result of this, the production will become more and more capital intensive. The production will become more and more capital intensive, and the production which is labor intensive will be lesser. All of you able to understand this? Capital intensive essentially means we are producing more, but not by hiring more people. We are spending more money to purchase machines. It is capital intensive. More investment into capital intensive. So what is the issue here? Already the problem is sufficient number of jobs, no. Quality of jobs, problem. And going forward, if the skilled labor is not available, in fact there's a problem of skilled labor availability in India. That's a fact, by the way. There's a problem of skilled labor availability. For example, economic survey says hardly around 12% of the labor in India is skilled. What about other countries? You take China, more than 25%
चलो अब जेई नीट के
of the
बच्चों से
labor is
बात कर
skilled.
लेते हैं थोड़ा.
You take South